In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it if a game won't launch or open here on your Xbox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to go to My Games and Apps all the way up in the very top. Go ahead and select it, and you need to open up your queue. So scroll down to Manage, and then go ahead and go over to your queue. Open up your queue. If there's any games or apps updating, obviously you're going to have to wait for them to update before you do open it. But if nothing's updating, try restarting your console. You can do this by holding down on the Xbox button on your controller and then selecting Restart Console from here. Once it does restart, try launching the game again. If it's still not working, go ahead and highlight whatever game it is that you're trying to open. And let's just say it's Minecraft for this example. Hit the Options button and then go into Manage Game and Add-ons. And what you're going to want to do is hit Uninstall All and then of course reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. If you'd rather not delete the game, you can reset your console. I personally would recommend not doing this and just uninstalling the game and reinstalling it. But of course, you can reset your console instead if you'd rather do that. And you can just do this by going into Settings and then go into the System section, Console Info, and selecting Reset Console. When prompted, make sure that you do select Keep My Games and Apps. And this will, of course, just refresh your system without removing your installed games and can fix launch issues. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.